So here are my DIY monolifts for my squat rack. Titan and Rogue both sell these, but neither of which is a direct bolt-on for my squat rack. So instead of modifying a pair of theirs, I decided to make my own. The Titans are 200 and the Rogues are 275. Mine are 304 stainless, 100% TIG welded, and custom fit to my rack. So I'll do a little demonstration here. I just have 135 pounds on here, but here's how they work when you bench press. A guy could totally build these at home if he has the right tools at his disposal and also the know-how to use them. This is not necessarily an instructional video, but I'm just going to kind of show you how I built mine. I have the benefit of having a badass scrap pile, so I have all kinds of cool material to choose from. But if I was going to go buy just a single piece of steel, I think 3/8 by 2 inch flat bar would be great for this. But here's what mine look like. So the actual bracket that bolts to the rack is 2.5 inch by 1/4 inch wall box tube, and when you cut the back of it out to make a channel, it just slides right over the ID of the box tube being 2 inch, the OD of the rack being 2 inch. I drilled a 1 inch hole and I used a structural bolt to hold it on there. This is 4 inch by 1/4 inch flat bar. The vertical hook is 2 inch by 1/4 inch flat bar. And the counterweight is a piece of, I think it's 1.25 inch by 3/4 flat bar. But again, you could easily make this out of 2 inch flat bar. You just make sure that you're a competent welder before taking on this project. You're going to have hundreds of pounds supported by these above you, and you certainly do not want your welds to fail. But they work great. Let me see if I can do a little demonstration while I, hold the camera. Slide this weight out. So I lift up, swings out of the way, carry it back into the rack, and it recenters the weight. Boom, easy breezy.